Peekaboo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Peekaboo. Hello little champ, welcome to our unique kid zone. This is Tanuja, your teacher, and here we are going to learn with lots of fun. So all the kids get ready for today's session. Let me tell you what would be our today's topic. Before that, I want to tell you how to sit. Come on, show me. How to ask actually? Yes, criss, cross, applesauce, eyes and ears onto your teacher. Very good. Excellent. Clap for you. Come on, clap for yourself. Wow, wonderful. Give me a big smile. Yes, that's good. So here we go. Today I'm very happy because today we are not going to recite any rhyme or poem, or we are not going to narrate a story. Yes, today we will have fun. Activity, only activity. Few of you are very scared about drawing. You don't know how to draw. And oh my God, I can't draw. Mama, I'm not going to participate in drawing competition. How to draw even I don't know. No worries. Do you know how to write 1 to 10? Or different shapes? Yes, like circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Yes? Show me thumbs up. Wow, you all know that. Yes, that's very good. If you know how to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and you know the shape, so you will be able to draw. How? That's what I will show you today. Yes, the magic of the number and the magic of the shapes. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see, let's draw, let's color. Yes, let's develop our imaginary skill, the thinking skill. Yes, very good. Yes, so all the kids, now I am ready with all the things. What are the things that we need for today's activity? Let me show you the materials. Of course, first we need a paper. Yes, I have already draw lines because boundary look good. Yes. Now we need we need a marker. We need a sketch pen. We need a pencil. We need eraser, and for coloring we need crayon, and we need a lid like this for circle. Yes. And as we have a surprise, so at last we need few gems. Yes, different color of gems. Yes. Now shall we start? Very good. So here we go. Let's see the magic of number and shapes. Yes, today we will use number 1, 2, 3 and a circle. Yes. Let's start. Let me show you. First we will draw a circle. Here we go. Yes, very good. Okay, here is a circle. Then we will draw number 2 here. Yes, just have a look. Wait for some time. And we have number 3 here. Yes. And number 1. Yes. So here is number 1. Okay, now get ready. First, we will start from the circle. Now, let's see. Yes, make a circle. Big, big, big. Big, big, big. Big, big, big. Yes, this is a circle. But let's see what we can draw with the circle. Wow. Yes, easy. Like U. Yes, we are putting few U. And a curved line like this. Yes. Can you tell me what is it? Come on, tell me. Very good. This is a turtle. Okay, so can you tell me what is this? Exactly, this is a turtle. Very good. Now we will go for number 1. Yes, come. Here is number 1. Now let's see what can we do with number 1. Yes, simply number 1. Now come on, take a turn, 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 turn. Very good. Now go another turn. Come down, 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 down. Yes, very good. Now take a turn like this. Yes, and here we go. Look at this. What is this? Can you tell me? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, this is a no. I am not going to tell you. You have to guess. Come on, tell me. Yes. Wait for some time. This is the magic of number 1. I am number 1. I have so much fun. Yes, I have number 1. I am number 1. I have so much fun. Yes, this is number 1, and I have few spots on me. Can you tell me what animal is this? Exactly, this is a giraffe. Wonderful. I am number 1. I have so much fun. Now, let's go for number 2. Are you ready? Yes, so this is number 2. Yes? Now, just have a look. We will draw a line here. Okay? And now we will draw a line here. And yes, wait and see what is this. Now we will come down here and we will, yes, here we go. And now, see, what is it? Can you tell me? Exactly, this is a little bird. Yes, little bird, pretty little bird. Yes. So we will make a branch here. Yes. So here is circle number 1, number 2, and now number 3. Let's see the magic of number 3. Yes. I am number 3. Come, play with me. Yes. Now what we will do, we will take a turn and we will make another big 3 and we will go inside. See? Yes. Now, see what I will do. Yay. And now I. Can you tell me what is this? Exactly, this is a monkey and it made a tail. Yes, so this is a monkey. Wow. See, is it difficult? Still you think drawing is difficult? I don't think. This is circle, this is number 1 and this is 2, this is number 3 and few lines and look at this. Yes. Now, what we will do? Of course, we will go for coloring and few detailings. You know, kids, as much as detailing you will do, your drawing will be look very beautiful, enhance. Yes, it's beauty. So, let's start coloring. Yes. Okay. Now, first we will start coloring from the bird. Yes. Let me start with blue color. Yes. Come on. So start. Yes. Blue. Okay. Here we go. Slowly. While you're coloring, you need to be very careful about the area. If you feel the area is really very small, then you can take color pencil or small crayon, the thin one. Yes. If you have a big area, then you can color with the different crayons. Yes. Now we will go for yellow. Yes. Little birdie. Yes. Wow, isn't it? Beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Now, see, isn't it beautiful? Yes, we need brown for what? For the branch. Yes, very good. At last, I will show you a very, very nice thing we will draw with object. Yes, as I told you, we will draw something with object too. Let's make another line. Yes, why? Because now we will color the monkey. Yes, brown. Come on, fast, 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 fast. He. Here we go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Here we go. Yes, one, two, three. Let's color, 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 color. Yes. See, now I am doing very fast, but you need to do it very slowly, slowly, very perfectly. It should be look very beautiful. Yes. Yes. Now I want to show you something. Before that, let's this is, can you tell me what is this? Gems. Yes, very good. So what we will do with the gems, see, we will put all the gems one by one. One, two, three, yes, four, five. Very good. Now what we will do, see, see. Yes, yes, yes. So beautiful. Drawing is totally all imagination. Yes. Can you see what I am doing? Tell me what is this? Tell me what is this? Come on. Yes, kids. Yes, exactly. This is a caterpillar. What is this? This is a caterpillar. See? Yes, we can draw anything with it. So kids, what you need to do, you need to improve your imaginary skill. Think beyond the box. Do something new. You will feel good. If you want to enhance this beauty now, we can see this side is looking very empty. We can draw clouds here, here. Yes. And another thing that we can do. Yes, look at the monkey. What we can do? This is a twig. Yes, we can put the twig here. Yes, and another we can put here. Yes, why I am doing it will look beauty. That's it. Yes, and what we can do as we are drawing a tree. So what we can do? We can make few leaves also here. Yes, and we can draw grass. Yes, now let me show you. I have already kept ready one for you. Yes, here is this. Yes, so more detailing you can do. That is up to you. That is up to your thinking, your imaginary skill. Yes, this is how. Isn't it looking beautiful? So this is really very easy. Anytime you can also draw with the help of the number and shapes. Yes, and few object too. So this is all about. So all the kids, hope you like that drawing. How we draw? Yes, we use object, we use shape, we use numbers. Very simple thing, and it was really very quick, very easy and fun, isn't it? Yes. So this is all about today's session. All the kids, one thing I want to remind again and again, please think out of the box. Why? Because if you develop your thinking skill, imaginary skill, you will be able to draw so many things. You will be very creative, and creativity is the best thing in you. Yes, so think and watch and practice. practice. Then you can go for the competition. You will be ready. Yes. So this is all about today's session. Hope you enjoyed and learn. So come on, say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. See you later. Alligator. See you later, alligator. Mean a wild crocodile. Bye bye. Bye bye, kids. Have a good day.